Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably one of the best wireless mechanical keyboards you can get right now. The Kisnt wireless mechanical keyboard in the Retro Beige edition. With its dreamy typing experience, solid build, and impressive connectivity, this 75% layout keyboard is an absolute game-changer for both gamers and typists. Let's take a 5-minute tour through everything you need to know. First up, connectivity. The Kisnt keyboard is a tri-mode beast. Whether you want to use it wired with USB-C, go wireless with 2.4 GHz, or connect via Bluetooth 5.0, this keyboard can do it all. It seamlessly switches between multiple devices and platforms, Windows, Mac, even your smartphone or tablet, with virtually no latency. And it doesn't just connect, it stays connected. Thanks to a massive 4000 mAh rechargeable battery, you can go about a week of moderate use on a single charge. That means fewer interruptions and more productivity or playtime. Now let's talk about the build, because this is where Kisnt really starts flexing. This keyboard is gasket mounted, meaning the plate is cushioned between layers of foam and dampeners that absorb vibrations. You get a smooth, thocky, creamy typing sound that's satisfying without being loud or hollow. The stabilizers are tuned well right out of the box, and the sound profile is premium, especially at this price point. The layout is a compact 75%, which means you still get the function row and arrow keys without the bulk of a full-sized board. If you've never used a 75% layout before, there might be a short adjustment period, but the payoff in desk space and ergonomic efficiency is worth it. It's ideal for tight setups, clean aesthetics, or even just tossing in a backpack for on-the-go use. The keyboard features 20 RGB lighting effects, everything from subtle breathing modes to reactive wave patterns. You can adjust the brightness and flow rate, or even map out custom lighting schemes using the Kisnt software. Speaking of software, it's where you can also program macros, remap keys, and tailor your shortcuts. Although do note it's currently only supported on Windows. Aesthetically, it's a love letter to retro enthusiasts. The double-shot PBT keycaps in creamy retro beige offer not just a vintage vibe, but serious durability. They won't shine or fade over time. The whole thing just feels solid in your hands. No cheap plastic flex here. And here's something rarely found at this price: peace of mind. Kisnt backs this keyboard with a 2-year after-sales service policy. If anything goes wrong due to a quality issue, they'll send you a replacement. That kind of support shows they're serious about standing behind their product. It's compact, powerful, fully customizable, and priced to impress. That's our 5-minute critique. If you're ready to upgrade your setup with a board that balances performance, personality, and price, the Kisnt is more than worth a look. Thanks for watching Product Critique, where we review, break down, and recommend the gear that makes your life better. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more deep dives into the best tech on the market. See you in the next video.